Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. Today I bring a good news for CCLS UDC LDC aspirant. As you know, CCLS conducted UDC LDC examination in the month of August on 1 August 2021, and now finally CCLS declared final result of written examination held on 1 August 2021 and list of eligible candidates for the next stage. So watch this video till end to know how to check your name in the list. So first type CCLS. After that, don't go. So first type CCLS. Okay, and after that, don't go to the main official site of CCLS. If you scroll below, you can see this link, admission Delhi Nilet. So click here. After that, you can see here cutoff mark for typing test LDC, merit list UDC, merit list LDC. So if you click here, you can see cutoff mark for LDC to appear in the typing test. For UR it is 86 point something, for OBC it is 84 point something, for SC it is 80 point something, ST 74 point something, EWS 84 point something, and for other category you can check here. Now in this link you can check list of candidates shortlisted for the typing test. So there are total 255 candidates selected for the typing test. In this PDF you can see total number of candidates appeared in the written examination for LDC post. So total 34,908 number of candidates appeared in the written examination. And in this link you can see total number of candidates appeared in the UDC written test. So total number of candidates in UDC 1652, but as of now CCLS does not declare cutoff mark for the UDC post. So they only released list of candidates appeared on the written examination. So let's see when CCLS upload the cutoff mark and the list of eligible candidates for document verification for the UDC post. So you can check your name in the list. So thanks for watching this video.